Yeah. Oh. Big old thumb. Big old. Got him.
Good.
My tripod is on.
You got it on?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You want me to turn the camera on?
It's on.
Oh, it is?
Oh yeah, that's a red. Yeah, buddy. That's a red. Woo. Nice redfish.
Fish.
That's a nice red. Nice redfish right there. On live finger mullet. That's a keeper. That's a keeper.
Okay.
Got him. Redfish. That's another slot. Red. That's a nice one. Redfish number 2. That meets my limit right there. 2 redfish per person. If he's slot sized. That was literally down there for like 10 seconds. Caught this one on a blue crab. Oh. Oh. That's a nice red. That's a nice red.
Don't let him go.
Yeah!
Beautiful. What? Let's see that fish. That's bigger than the other one, right?
That's way bigger than the other one. He's hooked right in the bottom of the mouth. That's
Wow.
a 25-inch red right there.
Oh, bring him here, hon.
Check that out, guys. Nice red on blue crab.